Now, let us discuss sent folder of file in detail. The sent folder in files contains a list of all the files that have been sent to other officials by the user. The sent folder of file can be accessed through two ways. Either from the file module in navigational menu bar on the left or directly from the quick access menu bar on the top. Once the link is clicked, the Sent Files screen appears, displaying the details of the files marked to other employees. This feature helps in keeping track of all the forwarded files. The key fields to review here are: Computer number. Computer number is the consecutive universal number generated by the e-file system for each file, applicable throughout the organization. File number. It is the unique number given to the file at the time of its creation. Subject. It is the short description of file entered while creation of the file. Sent to is the eOffice user to whom the file has been forwarded. Sent on is the date on which the file has been forwarded. Currently with, it gives the details of the official with whom the file is currently lying with. Due on is the expected or required date by which intended action needs to be taken on the file. Actions. The possible actions which may be available for the sent files are: 1. Initiate action. 2. Pull back. The initiate action feature, discussed in details while forwarding a file, can also be accessed from the sent folder for the files that the user might have overlooked for monitoring or that may have become relevant at a later time. Since this feature is a monitoring mechanism, it is ideally suited for use by senior to senior-most officials of the organization. Second is pullback option. Pulling back a file may be required if it has been wrongly marked to someone or if the recipient is no longer obligated to act, like in the case of them being on leave. However, pullback can be done only if the recipient has not opened or read the file in his or her inbox, and it is not attached with another file or receipt in recipient's e-file account. From the list of files sent, the ones eligible for pullback will show the pullback icon under Action column. Pulling a file back in electronic environment is analogous to recalling the physical file before it reaches to the intended recipient, with the only difference being that the pullback movement gets recorded in the system along with the reason. One can pull back a single or multiple files by selecting them from the list and then clicking Pull Back from the menu bar or clicking on Pullback icon in the Action column. This will open a confirmation pop-up, put the mandatory pullback remarks, then click OK. This will remove the detail of the pulled back files from the sent list. The pulled back file will return to its original folder location, either the inbox or the created folder from where it was initially sent. Apart from these actions discussed in Sent box, there are some more features that are available in Sent folder for user. Filter. One can filter the Sent folder records based on nature of file, subject category, sent date and due date. Module search. One can search any specific record from the list using parameters such as computer number, file number, subject, sent to, currently with. Show shared sent. Shows sent folder of other officials if it has been shared with user by eOffice administrator. This could be required in case of transfers or promotions when data is handed over. Create part. It is used if the main file on the concerned subject matter is under submission and it is necessary for user to process a fresh receipt or a note without waiting for its return. We will learn this separately in upcoming video.